okay.
I'm really proud.
Hey guys, I've got Samuel here with me. He's come in to get his back checked. Samuel, what brought you in today?
So I came in because I had an injury on my back a few weeks ago.
Yeah.
So we've just been working on that, but then what I realised is just that everything's completely linked.
Wow.
So I'm in to just get adjusted and get myself as healthy as possible.
Amazing, yeah. Samuel's doing so well. He's getting so fit, and just been so grateful to be on part of his process getting better. So we're going to get you on your front, please, young man, and
Yes.
just go from there, please. So I was just saying, so when you're waking up in the morning, a little bit of like, still a twinge?
I can still just feel where it was.
Cool.
You know, but I'm just a bit. I know also last week I went to do a sit up.
Yeah.
From the right on the floor, feet on the floor, and as I sat up, I was a bit like, I'm not going to do these.
Okay.
So it's not perfect.
Cool.
What's that?
You get the weights.
I'm gonna get it, bro.
Come on, man.
You.
I know you better. Wednesday morning. I'm trying to get Samuel to come and swim with me at the lakes. And his favourite thing is water, like mine.
Love it. It's definitely what?
It's definitely a bit locked up. Yeah. Just that movement, just we need to get there. Look to your right for me, please. Good. Hold that there, please. Feel that?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Head down, please. So basically what I'm looking for is like it's called a subluxation. It's making cause nerve interference in that area. So we just want to put that back. The first time Samuel got his neck adjusted, it was a little bit of a wake up, but he's getting so used to it now, which is brilliant. There we go. Nice big breath in. And drop it. Yeah, that is tight today. Nice big breath in. And drop it. There we go. It moves better, but we've got to get a little bit more on your. We can go there, but we'll see what's going on.
I just went nice and slow.
Yeah. Feeling discomfort there?
I wouldn't say discomfort, but I can feel it.
Oh yeah, you can definitely see that.
Yeah, it feels tight.
Yeah. So yeah. Let's get you on your left-hand side for me, please, young man. So facing that way.
I'm still avoiding a lot of like cardio work, and obviously I've not done any kettlebell swings or anything since.
Yeah, stay from there. But we're looking for the word adaptability, and you definitely are adapting so much better. Good. Nice big breath in. And drop it through. There we go, beauty. That was really good. And then on the other side for me, please, sir.
Did that crack?
Yeah, it went really nicely.
Did it?
On the other side?
Yep.
Yeah, your movement, so like a lot of the times when you get those adjustments, but that one just really went through that segment so nicely. Bottom leg straight. Good. And in. And drop it through. There we go.
I felt that one.
That moved properly, right? On your back for me, please. Nice and easy.
Yeah, I heard that.
Yeah, that went properly.
Yeah.
Look at the toes. There it is. Good job. Good. Try it like that. There we go. Cool. Let's get you up, young man. There we go. And then hands behind your neck for me, please. There we go. Elbows forward, please. And in. And rock it.
I'm really proud.
That was good. That was awesome. Awesome. Really nice adjustment today.
Good.
So like what would you say about chiropractic that you didn't think? Like, did you think is the clicking noise like painful?
Yeah, no, it's not. I think I would have, if I'd have seen it done on someone, I would have probably never have come down.
Yeah.
Because I don't like bones cracking and stuff. But no, it's not painful, and actually it loosens you up, and I will feel better after I've come.
Yeah, my biggest thing is just to let people know about chiropractic. And like some people think it's painful, so I just want to be like, hey, it's not painful, it's just gas that's leaving the joint.
Yeah.
So I'm super happy about that.
No, not painful, and it feels good. And I think it's just amazing how, I mean, whenever I come here, I always read the walls and read all the facts around and just see how things are connected, and the nerves are connected. It's just, I'm learning a lot about the body.
Absolutely.
And I think that in the same way that you have your car checked up and MOT'd,
100%.
not to have your body, which is your permanent home, MOT'd and checked up is just nuts. So. Yeah, it's great to come down.
One thing I've loved about Samuel is he's so inquisitive about like everything. He's always looking and he's asking questions.
Like a 3-year-old.
Yeah.
What's that?
And some people don't ask these questions. So when Samuel asks, I get so excited. So thank you so much.
No, thanks for having me. It's
I really
great.
appreciate it, man.
Cheers, Dean.
Thank you so
You're
much.
awesome, man.
Hey guys, it's Dr. Dean here. Welcome to my channel. As I've just said, I'm Dr. Dean. I'm also known as the Celebrity Chiropractor. If you are not on YouTube, you can follow me on Instagram. And if you like what you see throughout my chiropractic journey, how I get people better, please like and subscribe to see more here.